Make yourself comfortable, sitting down, lying down, preferably with your feet on the floor, uncrossing your arms and legs. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Take the time to find the position that will allow you to let your whole body and mind relax. Start by inhaling deeply and slowly through your nose, bringing the air deep into your belly and letting it become full. Now, exhale through the mouth, slowly and lightly, letting the air flow and entering into relaxation. Inhale. Imagine that fresh air completely fills your body from the top of your head to your toes and to the tips of your fingers. And breathe out. Imagine releasing everything you don't need, all the debris that clutters you. Breathe in through your nose. Fill your stomach and chest with air. Exhale through your mouth. Pay attention to your legs and relax along your thighs, knees, calves, ankles, feet, toes. Breathe in slowly and deeply. Breathe out. Notice your back, neck, spine. Let your back stretch and your shoulders drop. Relax your muscles. The weight goes off and your body softens. Breathe in through your nose, slowly and deeply. Exhale through your mouth. Relax your bust, your chest, your stomach. Inhale. Exhale and relax the muscles of your shoulders, your arms, your elbows, your wrists, your hands, your fingers. Breathe in through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Feel the relaxation in your head, your face, your forehead, your eyes, your nose, your cheeks, your jaw, your ears, your skull, your hair. Breathe in. The air completely renews you. All parts of your body are filled with fresh and delicious energy. Exhale. The air that comes out removes all the tensions, all the worries, and all the unwanted thoughts. You now feel calm and relaxed, breathing slowly, breathing deeply. And with each breath, you move further towards the calm center of yourself, and deep relaxation settles in throughout your body and mind. Welcome this well-being and relax even more. Now, visualize roots growing below your feet and around your legs, but also from your tailbone. Beautiful, powerful roots that go deep into Mother Earth, which allow you to feel grounded. They hold you in place and anchor you to the ground, and they grow deeper through the different layers of the earth and descend towards the center of the planet. They hold you firmly rooted and feeling safe. Your roots continue to grow even deeper until finally reaching the center of the earth. You know when you have reached the center of Gaia, of Mother Earth, because you feel bathed in a feeling of unconditional love, all the love that the earth has for you, the energy, this love that now comes back up through your roots, slowly rising to fill your whole being, your whole body. This warmth, this amber coppery colored light that is the earth's love for you, fills your body, starting with your feet, going up your legs, up your spine, into your arms, your hands, and then up towards your head, completely bathing every cell of your body. And you feel an immense sense of safety, of stability, of trust. You feel strong, loved, centered, full of a sense of belonging, because you know that you have your place here on this earth and in this universe. I am now calling for the protection of our guides, benevolent guardian angels who surround us with light and love. And we will invoke the violet flame, powerful energy of transmutation and forgiveness, to help us cleanse, heal, and transmute our energies. Visualize yourself as if you are in the center of a temple dedicated to the goddess. And in the middle of the room, a big purple fire burns in a huge golden bowl. From the fire rises a column of violet light, a gentle, scintillating, warm energy current which does not burn. And I invite you to step into this cup, to step into the scintillating column of the violet flame. You can see little purple flames twinkling around you. I now invoke the violet flame so that it deletes, uncreates, destories and transmutes all fears of change, fear of the unknown, of the new, of transformation, of the unforeseeable through all time, space and dimensions, in all directions, through all lifetimes and planes of existence. I ask the violet flame to delete, uncreate, destory and transmute all the fear of losing. All the fears of losing, the fears of missing, the fears of letting go through all time, space and dimensions, in all directions, through all lifetimes and planes of existence. Through all time, space and dimensions, in all directions, through all lifetimes and planes of existence, I ask the violet flame to delete, uncreate, destory and transmute all the emotions linked to guilt, to the feeling of not doing enough, of not being enough. I invoke the violet flame to delete, uncreate, destory and transmute everything that no longer serves our greater well-being, everything that is not aligned with our goals, our desires, and our level of consciousness and energy. I invite you to imagine the violet flame all around you, and you send to it everything that you don't need, all the emotions, the debris, the outdated feelings, the old habits, the heavy thoughts, the sour memories, the remorse, the regrets, everything that is already in the past, but still clinging to your energy. And I ask the violet flame to delete, uncreate, destory and transmute all these residues, as well as all that is not yours, all the energy that is not yours, which has been left in your body following your interactions with others, through all time, space and dimensions, in all directions, through all lifetimes and planes of existence. And the violet flame transforms and cleanses you completely, and it allows you to feel joy, pride, accomplishment, peace. I invite you now to step out of the violet flame bowl as the violet flame gradually disappears, taking away everything that we have entrusted to it. You can visualize now, or see, or feel, or imagine a light that sparkles, a golden white light that sparkles in the center of your body, maybe around your heart, maybe in your belly. It's different for everyone. Feel this place where you connect to your soul, to your essence. You see the light gradually becoming larger and brighter and filling all of your body with white and golden light and energy, and it spreads in every cell, in every corner of your body. It gets bigger and bigger, brighter and brighter, and in every part of your body you can feel its soft warmth. I invite you now to recall the parts of your energy that you have scattered around the world. When we interact with others, we leave traces of our energy with them, pieces of us that are scattered around the world. And we are now recalling them. And you can see spangles of light coming back at full speed towards you, through all time, space and dimensions, in all directions, through all lifetimes and planes of existence. Thousands of tiny luminous filaments of your energy, unique and wonderful, twinkling, are floating towards you and integrating now with your energy, entering back into the energy of your body, which expands even more and now diffuses beyond your body and fills in your energy field, your aura. Feel how good it is to become full, filled, complete, full of your own energy, of this abundant light that fills all your bodies, physical body, energy body, astral body. You are whole, fully energized, perfect. You can feel the presence of your guides, your benevolent guardian angels, who are here too. Feel their presence and their love. They protect you and surround you so that you feel that you are always accompanied, supported, that they are always there for you. You just have to ask, and they appear. And in this protection, in this wholeness that is yours now, I invite you to feel all the beautiful things that you wish to call to you, all the emotions that you wish to feel in the weeks, the months, the years to come, all the changes that you are calling, all your wishes. Visualize them, imagine them, feel them, and let them come to you. Let their energy integrate with yours without analyzing, without trying to understand. Accept, welcome these new energies. And repeat after me. I am ready. Take a deep breath. And even if you feel like you're lying to yourself, repeat once again. I'm ready. Even if it is scary, repeat again. I am ready. And if it really terrifies you, you can say, I'm ready to give it a try. I am ready to learn. I am ready to move forward, even if it is a very small step. I would love you now to allow yourself a few more seconds to soak up the energy of your guides, of all the benevolent entities, angels, archangels, and gods and goddesses who joined us during this meditation. And you can thank them. Soon it will be time to come slowly, gradually, very slowly back to your usual state of mindfulness, and you feel yourself gradually being drawn back to the here and now. As we finish this meditation, take a deep breath, and when you feel ready, allow yourself to come back slowly. On your next breath, come back into the room. Feel the texture of the clothes on your skin, the weight of your body on your chair or on your bed. Back in your living space, you start to become aware of the sounds around you. And you start to move slightly and stretch your muscles. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Move your body. Stretch out if it's good for you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, smile, and go peacefully into the world to create and experience change in joy. Don't forget to drink water, and if you wish, eat something to anchor those energies in your body right now. I thank you for listening, and I hope you have enjoyed this meditation.